This is the 2-in-1 vacuum and mop smart RoboVac from the folks at Ultenic. What's great here is it outputs 2600 PA suction. It's got a basin here to be able to collect the mop and the dirty water. And the best part here is that it uses this cloud multi-map and laser planning for it to be able to get the most efficient and the most effective route around your kitchen, dining table, main room, you name it. It's strong enough to be able to vacuum your front room and carpet, and it can also do hardwood and other types of floors. The best part about it here is it's all controllable through the app that's on the cloud, and you can be able to utilize it here with your smart assistants. Unboxing is super straightforward. We're gonna go ahead here and pull everything out and set it up for your pleasure. All right, just a little bit about the unit here. As you can see, this is gonna be the guidance system that's going to determine your path. You've got all the sensors here on the front. You've got the bumper as well that is really nice and coated here with silicone. On the back side here, you can see that you've got the spinner here. There's only one, as well as the two spring-loaded rubber tires. Here is where your brush will suck in with the 2600 PA. And then this is your dust collector and mop unit. A little bit on that, you press that button to unlock it. If you wanted to add your chemical and your water here to wash your floors and turn on the mop mode, you can place it right there. It doesn't hold too much water, but enough for you to be able to clean. The dust collection is in the same area as well. You go ahead and open it up there and you can replace your filter if that's something that you're interested in. You can go ahead and place it back in. It snaps into place. If you wanted to place on the mop module with the mop on the bottom, that snaps into place with these two little tabs. If you want to take it off, you can just go ahead and snap it off just like that. Now you're ready to prep and charge and go place it in your main room. The instructions advise that you need at least 2 feet on each side of the unit here in order for it to make its way and direct its path. You plug it in, and then what you need to do is push it up against the wall as much as you can. The light will signify here. I'm going to go ahead and place this in its slot. The bumpers here will then cause it to charge and discharge any of its dust. Place it in. It's now starting to charge here. We're gonna go ahead and press the power button, and it needs at least 5 feet in front in order for it to make its way in and out of your unit. With the batteries included here, you can go ahead and start its first run. You just press the play button and it'll go ahead and it will play. As you can see, you can adjust the suction here with the unit. I'm having to go all the way high, 2600. It's now doing its thing. And then you can hit the button to go home. Now that you've created your account on the Ultenic app, you're going to go ahead and add a device here, and we're going to pick the T10 Elite, which is what I've opted into. We're going to press the button for 5 seconds, press and hold the home and power button for 5 seconds. This will allow me to connect it. Okay, now we're ready to connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, now we've connected to the Wi-Fi. We're going to update here through Wi-Fi. Alrighty, it's downloaded. Now it's going to go through and update the firmware.
Upgrade successful.
Okay. It's now announced itself that it's upgraded, but we're still waiting for it in the app. As you can see, it's starting to map out the kitchen here. It's creating a heat map, which will take a minute for it to do to finalize where it's going. Once this goes through its complete session, it will then map the entire unit, and you'll be able to see the map show up. From the Google Home app, you can actually add the Ultenic vacuum here. You just hit add, works with Google, and then you search the Ultenic app. I've already updated it here. You can see the device there is added. When you come here into the kitchen, you can see I've got the T10 Elite. I can turn it on here from the app, and it'll go ahead and it'll start its run. That's what the dust collection looks like.
Charging.
And then it's going to start charging, and charging until you tell it.